You got audio? She's still futzing.
What's that?
She's still futzing around. Keep.
Okay. Should I be closer to that? No, my mic is probably probably.
That's a good mic.
What's that?
Do a little singing, like sing a verse or something.
With her eyes, she can kill with a smile. And she ruin your faith with the casual lies. She only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but you never believe. She can take what you give her as long as it's free. And she steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives out. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. Are we good?
Are we good?
Yeah, in the first part you were very quiet.
Yeah.
So she had trouble getting the audio on that. I think maybe we might want to put a mic on you. So can you just do a little bit of that?
Drove back, sat there, nothing to say. That's like the volume I'll be at.